I'm Fart.PDF. Farticus was here. Like, that's my moniker to my moniker. When I see an image, it triggers a thought, and then I lean into it. I just remember ads, I remember cartoons, I remember colors and movies and you know, just all the things that make us who we are culturally. Raise your hand if you taught yourself Photoshop. When you mess with the lighting of an image, you kind of like dictate the emotion, or you dictate like where the person looks at. And it's the marketing side of things, and it's the intuitive, like consumer side of things. Because when I look at something, I just put myself in the consumer shoes. Like, is it modern? Is it, you know, vintage or retro? And then I'll ask, what do you want people to react? Like, how do you want them to react? It's really just like, you gotta tap into your intuition if you're gonna be a medium. Like, if you wanna find the fun in it, I think you have to use your intuition. I'm not necessarily doing it just because like it's trendy. Like, I really go against the trends. At some point, it became like more than work. You know, like, I struggle with people calling my work work. It's artwork. You gotta keep the art in it. And even with content, you know, I struggle with that word because content is a weird word when you think of it. So I'm moving in a way where I can connect with it, and I got every element in my environment for me to like get that image right. So I just take my time with it.